Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to describe about problems faced by the farmers. Agriculture is the backbone of the economic system of a country. In addition to providing food and raw material, agriculture also provides employment opportunities to a very large percentage of population. In this era, farmers across India face the challenge of spurious seeds. According to government sources, 70 to 80% of seeds sold in the market are of low productivity. This causes huge stress on the farm output and puts the farmers in distress. So, we came up with the idea of creating an app. In this app, farmers, shopkeepers, and government officials can sign up individually. Bills of the seeds and organic products bought by the farmers from an organic shop will be updated in the farmer's ID, which can be checked. In case if farmers face any problem with the seeds and products, they can report to the particular store. Actions will be taken regarding these reports by the government officers. Let us see the steps to use this app. If farmers, shopkeepers and government official is new to this app, then they can sign up by filling the necessary details. Already existing members can sign in just by using their login ID and password. In case of farmers, they will first fill their personal details and they will also fill their land details such as soil type and area of farmland. According to the soil type, the AI gives the suitable crop that can be grown on that field to get the high yield. Organic shops should upload purchasing details of the farmer in that app, which is visible to both farmer and government official, so that the farmers can have all their purchasing details. Just in case if farmers face any problems in productivity by pesticides or spurious seeds, they can report the corresponding app. They can complain about the shop in which they purchase the spurious seeds and fertilizers. In government official's ID, he will receive a report list which contains the farmer's name, ID, and shop against which they complain and the reason for complaint. He will take further actions about the report. To ensure the performance of the government official towards the report given by the farmer, we have created this module in which farmer can rate the performance of the government official towards the report. By doing this way, the steps will be taken as soon as possible. The official with high rating can be given with incentives to encourage them to boost up their performance. In this way, farmers can find spurious seeds and get the better yield. With the help of this app, we can reduce the production and usage of spurious seeds in the market.